Everyone is talking about thousands of humanoid robots. But if you look at the factory floor, how many are actually there? We've seen the renders and the Optimus demos, but there's a huge gap between Musk's confirms and the news reports. Figure claims a massive scale-up at BMW. But is this a pilot or a production reality? And then there's Unitree. They're shipping more units than every Western competitor combined. Why? Today, we're cutting through the marketing to find the signal in the hype. Let's dive into the real numbers.
We're in the middle of a massive financial stampede. Agility Robotics is going public in a $2.5 billion SPAC deal. Figure AI holds a $39 billion valuation, and Elon Musk is projecting a total addressable market of $10 trillion. This chart tracks the projected value of the global humanoid market. It shows an exponential climb to $38 billion by 2035, with forecasts predicting up to 100,000 units shipping in 2026 alone. But if manufacturers are supposedly churning out tens of thousands of these machines, why is it so rare to see one actually working on a live production line today? The industry has hit a wall. Billions in venture capital are colliding with the unforgiving realities of physical manufacturing. Building software is fast, but building reliable hardware at a global scale is a matter of slow, incremental physics. Identifying the actual leaders in the humanoid race requires looking past the edited demo videos and auditing the physical production data. Elon Musk set aggressive targets for Tesla's Optimus program, including a dedicated Texas facility designed to build 1 million units a year. Rumors often place the number of currently active robots at over 1,000. Yet during Tesla's late 2025 earnings call, Musk admitted that 0 Optimus units are currently performing material work inside their facilities. The physical pivot is underway. Tesla dismantled the Model S and X lines at Fremont to clear space for Optimus production. The robots currently walking these floors are just data collection tools for the Optimus Academy. They gather training data, not fulfill manufacturing quotas. While Tesla targets business-to-business sales for late 2026, analysts project that meaningful consumer volume is unlikely to arrive until 2028 or 2029. Tesla is currently treating Optimus as a massive exploratory research and data harvesting project, rather than the immediate industrial workforce the market expects. Figure AI holds a $39 billion valuation on the strength of its San Jose facility, claiming it can assemble one new robot every 90 minutes. That represents theoretical design capacity. Actual unit shipments for the first half of 2026 remained in the low hundreds. Their most documented results come from a pilot program at BMW's plant Spartanburg. There, the Figure 03 robot handled over 90,000 parts with a 98.6 limitation. They didn't deploy general-purpose workers to wander the floor. They locked these robots into a hyper-narrow, repetitive task, loading sheet metal panels at specific workstations. The real bottleneck is the Manufacturing Execution System, or MES. This flowchart shows the necessary exchange. An advanced robot is only useful if its software can sync with the factory's rigid digital schedule. Figure AI's primary milestone was not a hardware demo, but proving they could reliably execute a single, dull task within the constraints of a corporate production environment. In the West, companies often cite committed orders to signal growth. Agility Robotics recently publicized a multi-year contract for 1,000 robots. The fine print on these contracts usually ties the orders to future developmental milestones. They do not represent current revenue or active working deployments. Boston Dynamics faces a different constraint. Their entire 2026 production run is committed to Hyundai and Google DeepMind, leaving 0 units for the open market. A different playbook is unfolding in China. Unitree Robotics launched an IPO on the Shanghai Star Market, targeting an implied valuation of $5.7 billion. Unitree focuses on hardware-first scaling. By engaging in aggressive price wars, they shipped over 5,500 humanoid units in 2025 alone. While Western firms build valuations based on AI potential, Eastern manufacturers are capturing the market through physical volume and rapid cost reduction. This funnel filters industry claims. At the top, design capacity represents a theoretical maximum. Next down, committed orders signal intent until they become live deployments. At the bottom is reality. general-purpose machines currently confined to highly specific, narrow tasks. Solving these narrow tasks and integrating with systems like BMW's MES builds a proprietary data layer that hardware alone cannot match. The long-term advantage lies with the companies that can turn these repetitive real-world cycles into a training moat. The adoption of humanoid robots has begun. It scales through a slow expansion of repetitive logistics, hidden deep within corporate balance sheets and manufacturing pilots.
The race for humanoid dominance isn't just about who has the most impressive demo. It's about who's actually putting robots to work on the factory floor. Right now, the gap between marketing claims and deployment reality is where the real signal lives. To understand the true leaders, we have to look past the production rate claims and at the live deployments. If you want technical breakdowns that cut through the noise, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.